Pigeons love solar panels, and with all of our roofs now covered in them, it makes a great habitat for them. Here's my neighbor's roof, and my drone scared away the pigeons. Let's look at it again. Look how many pigeons are coming out from under there, and they make a terrible mess. Now this is my roof. These are my new Tesla panels. Do you see the pigeon fly in and duck under? I made an assumption when I ordered the panels, because they had skirts on them, that would prevent pigeons and other birds from getting underneath, but they don't. So apparently for an additional fee, if you request it, Tesla will put screening around all four sides of your panels. But I found that out far too late. It was on the day of install, but one of the installers happened to mention that to me.
So yesterday, this is our next door neighbor's house. Yesterday, they put screening around the side of their solar panels, which hasn't been there until now. It's not been there for years. So suddenly there's a bunch of homeless pigeons. And if you look at our roof today, there's pigeons everywhere. There's so many pigeons. All those pigeons that you saw flying out from underneath my neighbor's roof, all homeless. And if I zoom in, you can just see they've already built nests underneath our panels. And tomorrow we're getting the critter guards installed around the edge, so more on that later. Today we've got the pigeon abatement company here. They're putting this black screening all the way around the perimeter of the panels. So they charge per linear foot around the outside edge. Before they started, they cleaned up with a pressure washer, got all the nests and the poop out, and they're currently up on the roof. It's about a half-day job. So this is the screening material that they're using to keep out the pigeons. This goes all the way around the perimeter. It's 1.5 inch gaps, steel screening material, and it's screwed on with the washers and the metal screws.
So the pigeon abatement crew have left. As you can see, all around the perimeter is the black steel screening, and you can see all the nests that were there have been cleaned away. So we'll see how long it takes the pigeons to find a new home. Sorry about that.
Thanks for watching, and subscribe to see my other Tesla videos.